Welcome to It's Larry. We're talking about tariffs, about tariff taxes. We've covered a whole bunch of topics so far. We talked about the fact that tariffs are a tax, that anytime the government imposes a mandatory payment, it's a tax. And so this is a tariff tax. We talked about who is paying for the tariff tax. Well, not often, it is either the exporter that's shipping the goods into the United States or the importer that's bringing those goods into the United States. And they're going to pay that tariff tax at the time the goods enter the U.S. Now, what happens once they pay that tariff tax? They're going to look at how they're going to cover that cost in either case, whether it's the importer or the exporter. And often they're going to pass on some and many times all of the tariff tax onto us, the consumer, in the end. Now, lots is happening. Things are changing. And so this past week, something pretty substantial happened. And that is, as of August 29th, the administration eliminated the de minimis exemption on packages, on parcels shipping from abroad into the U.S. Well, what the hell is that? What does that really mean? Well, up until the 29th, if you were shipping a parcel from abroad into the United States and that package had a value of under $800, it was exempt from any duty or taxes. Well, that has now been eliminated. So this means that every parcel that's shipping from, where we've applied these tariff taxes on about 70 countries. So now parcels shipping from these countries into the U.S. are going to be hit with a tariff tax. So, for example, we're in the carpet and rug business. If you were to look at a carpet and you wanted to see a sample in person, to touch it, feel it, see if the color works in your room, etc., and we have to order that sample from a manufacturer abroad, when that sample is now shipped, it's now going to have this extra cost, right? So the sample has a cost itself. The parcel itself, you're shipping it UPS, FedEx, DHL, there's a cost to that. And now on top of that, they're going to pay anywhere from 10 to 50% tariff tax on that package. In some cases, it's going to be a flat amount. It could be anywhere from $80 to $200 per parcel. So this has kind of thrown a monkey wrench in. It's a bit of a surprise, and many of the carriers from many of those countries has actually stopped shipping any parcels to the United States until they can kind of figure out how to handle this. So we're definitely seeing an interruption in service. And of course, you are now going to have to deal with an added cost for these parcels coming into the U.S. So lots happening. Want to keep you posted. I'm here to give you the facts, give you the information in a clear and concise way, to keep you posted. Please keep coming back. Like us, follow us. Tell others about us, especially if they want to learn about tariff taxes, and we'll try to help you in every way we can. Have a great day and look forward to seeing you again soon.